So today this vlog is going to be all about Jollywood, which is one of the adventure type of destination in Bengaluru. So this vlog is going to be all about it, and I'm going to take you to the Jollywood Studios and Adventures tour.
So guys, first let me show you the parking space. It's huge and has enough space for all types of vehicles to be parked. It opens at 11 am and closes at 6 pm on weekdays and 7 pm on weekends. A band is tied on your wrist like this after you purchase the entry ticket.
So this is the entry of Jollywood Studios and Adventures. It is 42 kilometers away from Electronic City, and today is Friday, 12th of July, and so it is pretty empty, which is a plus point. So let's go inside and check out what we have.
The ticket costs 1,179 rupees on weekdays and 1,899 rupees on weekends, and both these ticket prices include complimentary veg and non-veg biryani for lunch. These tickets also include all the activities and rides inside except for a few like carnival games and indoor games like cricket.
So guys, this is Jollylicious Candy World. This is a play arena type which is for children. So guys, you have many activities inside. This is one of them, that's archery, and then you have here shooting.
And then there is a tribal museum inside which the architecture and sculptures depict villages and tribes of India. Let's check it out. Inside Jollywood, there is this particular section which is no less than Euro. The architecture of the buildings here give a vibe of Rome and is a perfect place to click lots of photos. There are few shops like these which sell lots of toys, teddies and lots more. So be careful when you bring your child, he might need them all.
So guys, inside also there is a restaurant bar, and there is a cricket zone where you can play cricket.
Cricket costs 150 rupees per person additionally, and there are several carnival games but chargeable. There are lots of 3D graffitis on the walls of characters from movies to actions and adventure, and ideal for clicking some funky photos.
So guys, we are entering now Vortex Tunnel. So guys, we have now entered for the 5D experience. Let's check out. So guys, just came out of the 5-day experience. It was very nice. We had a roller coaster experience and it was very adventurous. So if you're coming, I think the 5-day experience is a must.
There are proper directions given of all activities and adventures.
So guys, these are coming soon. Haunted Theatre, Jollywood's Got Talent, Go-Karting and Hall of Fame. And right now we are at Thrill Island. So this is a section where you have few dry rides. So let's see what we do here.
So guys, now let's check out the dry rides that are available at Jollywood.
So guys, you also have rock climbing and these activities here where you have to climb and complete these roadies type of tasks. Okay, and you have zip lining also above, and this is go-karting, not go-karting, sorry, bumper car, accident car.
Well, I tried almost all the rides and it was a lot of fun. It was 2 in the afternoon, so we headed for lunch, that is the complimentary biryani. Well, there are many more stalls from where you can buy other food too. I ate chicken biryani, which was included in my ticket. I was very disappointed because the biryani tasted very dry and weird. After lunch, we resumed our next set of adventures and first we went to experience Titanic. Let's go inside the Titanic and check it out. Well, I was very impressed with the showcase that they have done. They have made replicas of first, second, and third class cabins along with painting of Rose. Quite impressive. They have also made a good effort to give us a feel that actually we are inside Titanic, which got hit by an iceberg and then it's sinking. You remember this hall? Yes, this is the same exact replica of that hall where Jack and Rose meet in the last scene of the movie Titanic. And do you recognize him? He acted as the captain of Titanic in the movie. Next, we visited the Mirror Maze. It's a maze of mirrors and reflections where you have to find your way out. It was my first time to get lost in reflections and it was really confusing, but luckily I made my way out.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no
Next, we visited the water park inside Jollywood.
see you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get it next.
And these are the main rides that are available in the water park. There are a few ones.
What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate.
I had a lot of fun here as I tried all of these slides many times. Then there is a wave pool too.
All I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days.
So guys, this is the family pool, but it is under renovation, so it is closed right now. So guys, you have rain dance too, and that's the wave pool. So, but it's a small water park inside Jollywood. So guys, I'm really having fun. If you're really looking for some adventure and you want to spend a day near Bengaluru, then you can give this place a try.
You can also take a locker for 100 rupees, but they accept only cash. Next, we visited the Lost World or Jurassic Park, which is the main highlight of Jollywood. Let's go inside the Jurassic Park and meet the dinosaurs.
ভালোই বানিয়েছে। So guys, this is Jurassic World Museum. We just went to the ride. You just saw. It's a family ride. Very interesting and very nice. And then at the exit, you get to see this museum. Very nice. Welcome to Miniature City. Come.
All I want, and I pray, I believe in the better day. I'm kinda stuck between a
Last but not the least, there is a miniature park where lots of statues, sculptures, palaces, cartoons, Eiffel Tower, etc. were built in a miniature size.
on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Then we walked back to the European area, ate some cake and watched the Jollywood live performance followed by the laser fountain show.
All I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe.
Ho trovato l'invasore, perché sono take me with ya.
Okay guys, so it's already evening and the light is lit up at Jollywood, and this is the lighting. Okay guys, so this was Jollywood. I really had a fantastic time here. I have spent the entire day. So if you're looking for some place near Bengaluru where you want to spend with your family and friends, then this is one of them. So yeah, if you're looking for some place which you want to try, this is one of the amusement park, or you can say an adventure land where you can come with your friends and families. Well, now we will head back home. I hope you liked this video. If you want to know more about Jollywood, then please leave your questions in the comments below. So I will meet you in the next vlog with a brand new place. Till then, take care. Bye.
For some better days, cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.